Detail engineering survey services in Greater Noida play a crucial role in the construction and development of projects in this rapidly growing city. Greater Noida, located in the National Capital Region of India, is witnessing a boom in real estate and infrastructure projects. In order to ensure the successful execution of these projects, it is essential to conduct detailed engineering surveys. These surveys help in gathering accurate data about the site conditions and topography, which is crucial for making informed decisions during the design and construction phases. The detail engineering survey services offered in Greater Noida encompass a wide range of activities. This includes information about the existing infrastructure, such as roads, drainage systems, and utility lines. It also involves capturing data about the topography of the land, including elevation, contours, and soil conditions. This data is then used to create detailed maps and models that form the basis for further design and planning. Another important aspect of detail engineering survey services in Greater Noida is the identification and analysis of potential risks and challenges associated with the project. This includes identifying any existing structures or features that may pose a risk to the project, such as underground utilities or unstable soil conditions. By conducting thorough surveys, engineers can identify these risks early on and develop appropriate mitigation measures to ensure the safety and success of the project. Detail engineering survey services also include the design and layout of various elements of the project. This includes designing road networks, drainage systems, and utility layouts that are efficient and sustainable. The surveys help in determining the best possible routes for roads and pipelines, ensuring optimal functionality and minimizing environmental impact. In this quickly expanding city, detail engineering survey services in Greater Noida play a key part in the construction and growth of projects. Greater Noida, which is a part of India's National Capital Region, is experiencing a boom in infrastructural and real estate projects. Conducting thorough engineering surveys is necessary to ensure the effective completion of these projects. These surveys assist in collecting precise information about the terrain and site conditions, which is essential for making wise choices during the design and construction phases. There are many different activities covered by the detail engineering survey services provided in Greater Noida. This provides details regarding the infrastructure that is currently in place, such as the roads, drainage systems, and utility lines. Additionally, topographic data are captured. In this quickly expanding city, detail engineering survey services in Greater Noida are essential for project development and construction. Infrastructure and real estate development are booming in Greater Noida, which is part of India's National Capital Region. Conducting thorough engineering surveys is crucial to guaranteeing the implementation of major projects. In order to make wise judgments during the design and construction phases, these surveys aid in the collection of precise data regarding the site conditions and topography. The extensive variety of operations covered by the Greater Noida Detail Engineering Survey Services. Information on the infrastructure that is currently in place, such as the roads, drainage systems, and utility lines, is included in this. It also entails